Hello there. Welcome to PSM SoftTech Pvt Limited. Today we will see how to make a customer entry in Rade software. We will select customer entry option in master entry. Here by clicking on the new button we will fill the necessary details, for example name, address. If there is no entry in the area list, then we will press F3 button. Then the area entry form will open. Now we will select the state and city and enter the area. This F3 option is applicable on all entry forms. If you are using WhatsApp and email feature, then add your WhatsApp mobile number. If our customer is out of state, then he will select outstation option. We can also set credit days and credit limit. You can assign the name of the salesman. Along with it, you can also select his registration type. Here we can verify the GST number. And if the customer is from another state, then we will receive warning related to it before saving. Thanks for watching the video.